Pseudocode. Pseudocode is a term which is often used in programming and algorithm-based fields. It is a methodology that allows a programmer to represent the implementation of an algorithm. In computer science, a pseudocode is used to describe the steps followed in an algorithm via simple human comprehensible language. Thus, it has no syntax of any programming language and can be easily understood. Features of pseudocode. It uses structured English statements. It can be reviewed or verified easily to see if it generates the desired outcome. Writing pseudocode will help to write the main code easily. All possible scenarios can be focused at single time. Main constructs of pseudocode. The pseudocode mainly uses words, sequence, while, repeat, and if, then, else. These constructs are also called keywords and are used to describe the control flow of the algorithm. 1. Sequence. It repeats linear tasks that are sequentially performed one after the other. Example, washing clothes. 2. Repeat until. It repeats an action until a specified condition is met. Example, mixing salad. 3. Repeat. It is used to repeat the task for a fixed number of times. Example, cooking food. 4. If, then, else. It is a conditional statement that can change the flow of an algorithm. Example, if the weather is cold, turn the fan off, else turn it on. Rules for writing pseudocode. Always capitalize the initial word. Keep the statements independent of any programming language. Write only one statement per line. Always move in an ordered way. Keep it simple, concise, and readable. Example, write pseudocode to print above average marks if the average marks in the 3 subjects are greater than 60 and below average marks if the average marks are less than or equal to 60. Solution. Program start. Read marks for subject number 1, A. Read marks for subject number 2, B. Read marks for subject number 3, C. Calculate sum S is equal to A plus B plus C. Calculate average marks. A is equal to S divided by 3. If average marks greater than 60, print above average marks. Else, print below average marks. Program end.